What's up? What's up? We're back with another banger, another smash. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I got a little camera on smash, but got everything on deck. We talking about that PewDiePie. Just hit 100 mil with his YouTube award, which is pretty epic. It's pretty dope. Success. Congratulations to him. Came a long way from a gamer. Kathy's playing Sims 4. She be on that all night. You know what I'm saying? My Minecraft users. I love Minecraft. But I don't play it like I used to play it. I remember playing it, but we was on the computer coming home from school, just hopping on the Minecraft. And all we do was play Minecraft. But all success to PewDiePie, you know what I'm saying? Keep on going, you know what I'm saying? Keep playing your games. Keep being Mr. PewDiePie himself. He hit 100 mil with his award. Congratulations to that. What do y'all think about that award? What do y'all think about him hitting 100 mil? Y'all leave it in the comment description below. These bangers keep coming in because I got the GTA video I'm dropping, that banger heat. You know what I'm saying? Consistent vlogs. I got my shoe vlog I'm about to do real soon. That's for another video. We're gonna say that. This is just technically gaming for right now. I have my PS4 Pro Slim I'm about to get into, but my gaming and all that, etc. That we're gonna leave that for another banger, man. But we out of here, man. We just talking about PewDiePie for right now. And I don't know, does he have a girlfriend or something? Did he just have a?
He got married.
PewDiePie finally got married. Wow, that's congratulations. Wow. I didn't think he had a girlfriend. That's crazy. I thought he was just a gamer. He was gonna stick to playing games all day. But hey man, congratulations. Wish the best. I'm shocked that he got married now?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. He got married, he had a honeymoon.
Yeah.
Hey, that's cool though, that's cool. I'll clap to him. You know what I'm saying, for playing. How he got famous? He got famous from playing Minecraft, right? I think he got famous playing Minecraft. If I'm incorrect, guys, just drop it in the description. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if I'm incorrect or correct about it. But this girl's playing Sims 4. She be on that all day, bro.
Like an emotional
Look at that, bro.
show.
She's fishing, bro.
You're sad because the plant ate you.
Plant ate me. Yeah, okay. But YouTube. That's it, man. We're gonna wrap this up. Reaction with another banger. Check out my bangers that y'all have not checked out. I recently reacted to. And my channel, subscribe right down below on the right side. Click that red button. Like the video. Shout out to all the PewDiePies people. Peace. I'm out.